Good evening, everyone. This is Option Guru Apex Growth from the Twitter. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I put education video and also put the video about the profit we made last week on the stock we traded by the options. So I'm going to talk about in this video about the Amazon. Before I talked about the Amazon, I want to say the theory that I use here to analyze the trend for the up or downside is few here. The first one you see, this cloud theory, is called Ichimoku Cloud, one of the best theory out there. It's really going to help you stay consistent, guide you on every step of the process to see when to open the position, when to close it, what you have to look into it, pretty much everything that you need to know about this particular theory. So I would say read about it, Google it, and soon I'm going to start the private class that I can help you to know a little bit about this theory. So I'm going to talk about the Amazon trade, where we made about 250% to 300% profit on this particular trade just in 2 days. And again, it was not a risk play. It was a play with very well thought, very well researched in the theory. So Thursday, you see what happened to Amazon stock. You see this sign up here. The stock started going down. We didn't open any position at that point. But when the stock was 3153, right here when the signal came in, look interesting, because if you see the stock since opening, according to Ichimoku theory, if the cloud is turning negative and price stay above T line and K line, and this particular line, breakout line, is stay below the price, the momentum is negative. There are 5 components of the Ichimoku that you need to know: T line, K line, Tenekin, Kenijun line, Chiku, span A, span B, and then cloud. So cloud started going negative, sign came up here, and we decided to bought option for 3120. And I paid about $650 for a few contracts that I paid. Of course, when I bought it, started going down, boom, and then started going back up. But again, what I said, if this doesn't close below this particular line, the trend is still negative. So I kept the position, and you see what happened. Boom, 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 boom. At the closing, I sold almost everything except for one runner in 100% profit. And then the other runner that I had closed the next day with 300%. By doing that, I made about $4,000 or $5,000 in the Amazon just in 2 days. So option is very risky. Obvious reason, because it has a time decay, and Amazon premiums are really expensive. But if you have the right theory, if you know your levels, if you know how your research, you're always going to make money in the options. It's very risky. There's no guarantee that everybody would make or always be successful in trading. But if you know the theory, know how to manage your risk management, you will always going to have a good profit. So today we posted 2 videos, Amazon and Lemonade, that talked about the research and the money that we made. Thank you, everyone. This is Option Guru Apex Growth signing off for today.